fat ass friend earlier and he was on my bike. Holy shit, bro. I'm not gonna go fucking low ride with this fat ass on it. Bald eagle? It's a pelican or crane. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's weird. Oh yeah. There's some butter. Damn, I was spinning out. Brake, 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 brake. Fuck, I'm all wet now. Yeah, that's what she said. This is how I ate shit the other day. Oh shit. Maybe I should not instigate because I'm doing some illegal shit too. But they can't catch my ass. Huh. Probably domestic crime. Domestic violence. Ooh. Oh shit, I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Oh shit! You can climb this? Sketchy. on some loot. How do we get there? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Somebody burned this bitch down? That's sick. 1997. Charger Hellcat. Oh shit. Alright. So I don't need shit right here like I usually do. Ah, we're good. No bump. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yeah, I was not supposed to be that fucking chaotic. Jesus. Okay. Oh shit. What was that? Oh, fucking. What the fuck? Oh, I'm pissed. So fast forward to my current situation. My bike doesn't start. This bike is a piece of shit. But I think it's my fault because it's out of gas. So I've got to walk like 3 miles home. And the fucking mountains and the snow and the desert. Ah, fucking shit. I have no water, no food. I have to survive. I have to fucking stay in that car for tonight. Call for help in the morning. I've got no phone. I've got nothing on me. Just my nuts on me, bro. I got stranded right there. And I can't breathe already. Alright, I'll keep y'all updated. Just a chill day, man. Guess where I am. Guess where the fuck I am. I never guessed it. Maybe from my accent, but fuck y'all. Y'all racist motherfuckers. Oh shit. Damn, this shit's strong. Hey, hell yeah, boy. Clean this baby.